What is up, people? Good morning. Yeah, I just wanted to talk to you guys about a new little upgrade I'm doing, and yeah, it's finally not gonna be quiet anymore. And as you guys can see, I got my new Mbrp exhaust XB, I think. I was supposed to get the race one, but I ended up getting the street one. I ended up liking the sound better. It's not as loud as I thought it would be, but it's good. I'm getting it installed today, so I'm going to my friend's house. His name is Ty, and yeah, I'll see you guys when I get over there. Okay, guys, so here we are. We're about to. Oh yeah, that's my friend's SDI. I think sweet. It's fast as fuck too. So we're about to install the exhaust on my car. As you guys can see, my car is on the lift. Yeah. Excuse the poop on the tire and the poop all over the car. And here you guys have it. So there is my homie changing the pipe.
Yeah. Already time to impact.
Yeah. Pull up. So my coworker was saying that we wouldn't be able to change it within less than an hour. And I'm like, yes.
Probably not less than an hour. Probably around like maybe less than an hour. Depends on how these come out.
Yeah. Oh, that's a nice impact move. Ooh, boom, easy. Yeah, that just came out like that.
Yeah, it's pretty easy to do these.
Yeah. Oh shit. This car is pretty basic, right? It's really plain.
Mustangs, yeah. They're pretty well
Easy
put. They have their little quirks about them, but all in all, they're pretty much the easiest cars I've ever worked on. Ever.
Yeah. Still hot?
These studs? No.
Oh, wow.
Not really that hot.
Cooled off fast.
Yeah. Let's see, I gotta get on the other side real quick. I'm not trying to drop this down. I'm just trying to figure out where this bracket. I think this slides off, so you need to get those ass pipes off first.
The ass pipes?
Yep. Ass. Ooh.
Flip my phone.
Christian Dior. I got the rolling store. Oh, boom, boom, boom. All right. Hello, ass pipes.
Ass pipes.
Oh, or does the whole thing just slide out? That's very odd. Uh-oh.
What slides out?
Oh, shit. That's not good.
What happened?
So, there's only two.
Alright, so we're about to start this bitch up. See what he sounds like without the exhaust. Oh, man. We bet $5 on this. Remember, man.
I think it's gonna be quiet.
Keep your word, yeah.
It is a 15.
I think we're about to mount the mid pipe, and then from there it's coming back down here. Or here, yeah, there. Yeah. It's not taking us that long though. We got this.
We can do some exhaust shots when we go by the school if you want.
Yeah, that'll be cool. Alright. What is up, people? So I just wanted to say thank you for anybody that's watching my videos and following up on my build on my car, and just wanted to say this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be posting more videos. Thanks.